Art and Joanna here with Safety Saturdays with on-ramp and off-ramp safety. As you can see, we're exiting. Posted speed limit is 25 miles an hour, and that is for passenger vehicles, and it's not for commercial high-profile vehicles like ours. You can see the ramp is marked at 25 miles an hour. This is in dry conditions, not taking into consideration whether it's wet, whether it's freezing, or there's snow. And as you can see, posted speed limit is 25 miles an hour for passenger vehicles. So that means, you got to drop it down 5 to 10 miles when it's dry, and half speed if it's wet, and if it's snowing, then you're crawling. So again, these posted speed limits are for passenger vehicles, not commercial vehicles like ours. And the ideal thing is to, before you turn, slow down before you make that turn, or you start navigating left or right, wherever the turn's taking you. You don't ever want to start slowing down in your curve or in the turn, because that's unsafe. So we're approaching an on-ramp. As you can see, no posted speed limit, and we jump on, and it's got a very, very tight turn. So always have to be aware of where you're going, and if you're not sure, slow down. Be aware of the weather conditions, which changes everything. If it's raining, if it's snowing, or if it's even freezing, got to be careful with the black ice. And as you can see, this on-ramp is very tight. So no posted speed limit. You have to be under control, and at least maybe go 15 miles an hour. Average speed limit on an on-ramp is 35, and that's for vehicles.